sir, but we have a strict no pets policy.
भाग यहाँ से, काम चाहिए इसको।
I'll get your treat now.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your treat.